Hello, students. Today we are going to study the chapter My Childhood, which is an excerpt from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography, Wings of Fire. This piece reflects on his early life in Rameswaram, highlighting the family values, experiences, and lessons that shaped his character. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who lived from 1931 to 2015, was an eminent Indian scientist and the 11th President of India. He is often referred to as the Missile Man of India due to his significant contributions to India's space and defense programs. His autobiography, Wings of Fire, follows an inspirational journey from humble beginnings to becoming a national leader. Now, let's dive into a detailed summary of the chapter. Family and early life. We learn that Kalam was born into a middle-class Tamil Muslim family in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His father, Jainal Abdin, was a wise and generous provider, and his mother, Ashamma, was kind and often fed many people. He considered his childhood home secure and peaceful. Next, Kalam reflects on his childhood, recalling how he earned his first wages at 8 by delivering newspapers with his cousin during World War II. This experience instilled in him a sense of pride and responsibility. Moving to values and friendships, Kalam's family placed a strong emphasis on education, kindness, and discipline. He inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father and faith in goodness from his mother. Growing up with diverse friends, they formed strong bonds and developed a deep sense of unity despite their differences. Overcoming discrimination. We read that a new teacher discriminated against Kalam, a Muslim, by making him sit at the back of the class. This saddened both him and his friend Ramnatha Sastri. Ramnatha's father confronted the teacher, condemning the injustice and urging a change in attitude, which left a lasting impact on Kalam. Then there's inspirational teachers. Kalam's science teacher, Shiva Subramania Iyer, played a crucial role in breaking social barriers and inspiring him to aim high. Despite his orthodox beliefs, Iyer treated Kalam as an equal and even invited him for a meal, persuading his wife to overcome her bias, which greatly impressed Kalam. As Kalam grew up, he wished to study beyond Rameswaram. His father supported him, likening him to a seagull meant to explore. He quoted Khalil Gibran, urging children to follow their paths. Encouraged by his family, Kalam left Rameswaram to pursue education and a better future. Now let's discuss the theme and message of My Childhood. The chapter highlights the significance of values, unity, and mentorship in shaping lives. It demonstrates how family support, childhood experiences, and teacher guidance help individuals overcome challenges and achieve greatness. The message of My Childhood emphasizes that strong values shape lives. Honesty, kindness, and discipline, as taught by Kalam's parents, are the foundation of a successful life. It teaches us that unity in diversity matters, friendship and harmony can thrive despite religious and social differences. Good teachers and mentors inspire individuals to aim high and break barriers. We learn that treating everyone equally creates a fair and just society. With family support and determination, anyone can achieve their goals and rise above limitations. Lastly, perseverance is strength. Real strength lies in trying despite the odds and difficulties. Finally, let's clarify some difficult words. Austere means simple, strict, and severe in lifestyle. Erstwhile refers to something that was former or previous. Inborn indicates a quality or feeling that is present from birth. Communal intolerance means hostility against people from different religious or ethnic groups. Unprecedented describes something that has never been done or experienced before. Perturbed means disturbed or troubled by something. Orthodox refers to strictly following traditional religious practices. Segregation is the separation of people based on differences like race or religion. In summary, we explored Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's childhood, emphasizing the importance of values, experiences, and relationships that shaped him into a remarkable person. This journey teaches us about the importance of family education and overcoming challenges to achieve our dreams. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 9. Thank you.